Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I get so many questions daily on my videos and on my Instagram about my nails and how I keep them long and healthy and strong. So I'm finally bringing you my nail care routine. I like to do this routine about once a week just to maintain the shape and the overall health of my nails. To start off, I like to remove the nail polish and protein treatment that I already have on it from the previous week. So I'm just using this nail polish remover that I got at Sally's Beauty Supply. When it is finished, I will be transitioning to a cruelty-free nail polish remover. So if you guys have any recommendations, please leave them down below. I would love to check them out. After all the nail polish has been removed, I like to dip my hands in a bowl of warm water just to help soften my cuticles so I can push them back. And to do that, I like to use this little tool. I just push them back really gently, and since I do this almost weekly, they're usually not too bad. Then I go ahead and take this little tool to gently remove any hangnails or excess skin that I have around my nails, and afterward I like to use a buffer to buff and smooth out my nails. I do experience ridging on one of my thumbnails, so buffing it out just really helps to keep it smooth and even. Then I go ahead and file my nails with this glass nail file from Sienna Byron Bay. I absolutely love this nail file, you guys. It was a little bit expensive, but honestly, glass nail files last so much longer than regular ones. They're a lot more environmentally friendly, and I just really like having it on me. I think it's really pretty. I actually got this recommendation from It's Blitz here on YouTube. I love her recommendations. She's probably one of the only YouTubers that I really trust when it comes to product recommendations, so I saw her talking about it on Instagram and I purchased it, and I honestly love it. I like to use it just to keep my nails filed down to an almond shape, and I just find that's really gentle on my nails and I really enjoy it. To keep my cuticles hydrated, I like to use a little bit of macadamia oil, and then my favorite part is using this Orly Nail Defense Strengthening Protein Treatment. I absolutely love this protein treatment. I think it's helped so much in keeping my nails strong because that's what it's meant to do. But this was another recommendation from It's Blitz, and I like to apply this under any kind of nail polish that I'm using. Sometimes I'll even just use 2 coats of this protein treatment and call it a day. It also dries really quickly, which is a huge plus, and I find that it prevents any like yellow staining from other nail polishes, so I really appreciate that as well. I've recently been using this clear coat from Gloss Naturals, and it's honestly not my favorite nail polish ever, but I really like just using clear nail polish because I like the way it looks. It's a lot easier to maintain and I don't have to worry about how it looks when it chips. It took me about 2 months to grow my nails out to this length. I did break 2 along the way, so I've had to start over with those, but generally my nails grow pretty quickly. I do take liquid biotin for my hair, so I'm not sure how much that affects my nail growth, but this is my nail routine, you guys. I really think that this routine helps to keep them strong and from breaking. I really hope this video answered all of your questions and was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.